Good morning, FKE students. Today is Kindness Day and Chalk Your Walk Day. So I have my kindness shirt on, be kind. And I am going to teach you how to make some really cool puffy sidewalk chalk today. You will need a parent help. You don't need a lot of material. It should be stuff that you have around the house. So let's go ahead and get started. You're going to need flour, all-purpose flour. I'm sure any kind of flour will be fine. Shaving cream, I got this at Walmart. It's the really cheap stuff. It's like 88 cents. You're gonna need gallon size bags. However many colors you want to make, that's how many gallon size bags you're gonna need. And they recommended you use these little squirt bottles. I got this from Walmart at the candy aisle where they make cakes and stuff. You can order these off of Amazon. And also I'm going to show you a way that if you don't have access to getting these, you can just use your bag and write with your bag. So let's get started. You're going to need a measuring cup for your water. So for your liquid, you're going to need a 1 cup measuring cup for your flour. This one's already full. And you're going to need a 1/2 cup measuring cup for your shaving cream. I'm going to let Isabel fill this up with water, and she's my helper today. And I'm going to let her grab us a spatula as well. So to start, you're going to open up your bag nice and wide. You're going to dump 1 cup of flour in your bag. Isabel, it's over there by the sink, the yellow one. And you're going to pour your 1 cup of water in your bag. You will also need food coloring to tint it. Isabel and I made a couple of batches beforehand, so we made some yellow and some pink. I'm going to show you how to make some purple and teal. You're just going to stir it. Now, this does look like pancake batter, but you don't want to eat it or you won't have puffy paint to draw on your driveway with. You want to make sure to get all of the lumps out. If you don't get all of the chunks out and it's really lumpy, if you're using a squeeze bottle, it's going to get stuck in the tip and it's not going to want to come out. If you're using a bag, it will get stuck in the bag and your puffy paint is not going to want to come out. So you want to really, really mix it up till it's nice and smooth. I still see some chunks in there. So can you guys kind of see what it's starting to look like? Really runny cake batter, but you can still see some lumps in there. So keep on stirring until there's no lumps. No lumps. And this is just the flour and the water. And you can kind of mush it with your hands too if you need to kind of get all the lumps out. It feels really cool if you squish it with your hands. All right, now we're going to add the shaving cream and the food coloring. So what you're going to do is you're just going to kind of pinch the bag around your spatula to kind of get all the ooey gooey stuff off. And you're going to fill your 1/2 cup measuring cup with your shaving cream. It grows, and that's okay. So it'll grow and it'll be a little overflowing. Open your bag really, really wide, and you're just going to scrape the shaving cream into your bag. Let's get it all in there. This is what makes it puffy, so we don't want to leave anything behind. Once you have your shaving cream in your bag, you gotta see it in there. It's kind of hard to see. You're going to add 10 drops of your food coloring. Now this is teal. You can use any colors you want to, but you're just gonna add 10 drops. So we're gonna add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this is the really, really fun part. Kind of squeeze everything down, kind of push some of the air out, zip it up nice and tight, and now you get to squish it and move it around and mix it. I'm gonna let Isabel continue mixing this bag, and we will get started on our second color. There you go, sister. Start mixing. All right, our second color of today, we're gonna do purple. So again, you need 1 cup of flour, nice and flat. Dump that in your bag. And you need 1 cup of water. Pour that in your bag. Mix it up really good. Remember, no lumps or it gets stuck. Isabel's making our teal color. She's getting it really good. I'm going to kind of squish this with my hands a little bit. I think it works better to get the lumps out. You just have to be careful because your bag is open. You don't want to squeeze it out. Stir it some more. This is probably the most time-consuming thing, is getting the lumps out. And it is the most important thing because, again, if you're using a squirt bottle, it will clog the tip of it. Or if you're going to use the corner of your bag, which I'm going to show you how to do. All right, I think we got it good. So next is the 1/2 cup of shaving cream. And it overflowed, and that's okay. And we're going to scrape that into our bag. My bag is falling. And this is going to be the purple. By the wall. How many drops? 10 drops, boys and girls, of your food coloring. So, well, the purple doesn't want to come out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Push it all down. Kind of squeeze out the air. Zip it up tight and mix it. And we're going to give this bag to Isabel, and we're going to let her finish mixing the purple. And I'm going to show you how to get it into your squirt bottle. There you go. This is the blue. She's got it all nice and mixed and pretty. What we're going to do is just going to push the paint away from the corner. I have some scissors here. We're going to snip off the corner. And we're just going to squirt it in our squirt bottle. There's a lot in here, so shake it down away from the opening, set it aside, save it from later. When you run out, I kind of overfilled it here, so I'm going to take my paper towel. I'm going to wipe that off. And put my lid on. When Isabel gets finished with the purple, I'm going to show you guys how to use your bag instead of a squirt bottle like this. But I did want to remind you guys that this little drawing paper is in your packets. I would love to see your fun drawings. Have mom or dad email them to me. It's cbrown@nafcs.k12.in.us. I would also love to see your videos of you making the puffy paint, your pictures of you drawing on the driveway with your puffy paint. Send me some pictures of you guys doing art. I miss you all so very much. Now, if you're going to use the bag instead of a squirt bottle, which is totally fine, this works just as great, you're only going to snip a very, very little bit of that corner off so that your opening is really teeny tiny. You can kind of see the angle is really, really small versus the one angle where I cut it, it's really big when I dumped it into the bottle. So if you're going to use your bag to draw with, which you can, just make the little opening a lot smaller. You can also put it into a smaller Ziploc bag and do that as well. But let me show you. We're going to draw with it right on the countertop right here. Draw a sweet little heart for Kindness Day. Don't do this on your countertop, boys and girls. Take it outside. Have some fun with it. Show me your videos. Bye, guys. Miss you.